Fly to Danielle. Come on. Come on. You can do it.
He's all fat.
Come on. Fly to Danielle. Ooh, yeah, good. Ready? Oh, no.
Mom.
That's what you're supposed to do, I think. It makes him flap his wings. We're doing exercises. Come on.
Does the mom bird hold it on its back and fall?
I don't have wings.
Yeah, but you just push them off your finger.
Good.
Yes.
Okay,
Move.
now get him to come to you. Here, I think I do better bird noises. It'll come to me. Okay, ready? Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Look, flappy, flappy, flappy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, my nose is running. Your bird's stupid.
He's hungry.
He can't be. Stop feeding. Look how fat he is.
He's not fat. That's his wings.
You can barely see his head.
It's his feathers.
Mm-hmm. That's what all people say. I'm not fat. It's my feathers.